Good morning guys! I'm back. Naging busy ang lola nyo. So anyway, it's 9:05 na ng umaga and it's December 5. Mansari namin ni boyfriend ngayon. Pauwi na siya galing ng ko alam kung sila galing Sambales yata. So anyway, yun nga, bigla ang aya ng best friend ko pumunta ng Baguio. At take note, 1.5 lang yung perang dala ko. So sana abot ang 1.5 natin papuntang Baguio, pamasahe pa lang yata. So, hindi ko alam kung itutuloy ko pa ba tong katarantaduhan ko. Kasi, B, I'm not really ready to go to Baguio this time kasi out of budget talaga tayo, B. Si Frenny, gusto niya talagang umakit ng Baguio. O di nagsuggest naman ako, pumunta kami sa Diplomat Hotel, sa Christmas Village, or sa Burnham. Ang lola mo, ang daming reklamo kaysa daw mahal ang pamasahe. Kesa, so saan tayo pupunta sa Baguio? Makakain lang, magpapalamig lang. B, may aircon dyan, B. Hindi ko alam sa lola nyo. Tanda na kasi, thunders na. So, yun lang guys. So, I'm just gonna prepare my things. But I don't know kung talagang itutuloy ko ba to, because I want to be with my boyfriend na lang instead. Kesa samahan siya sa kagagahan niya sa Baguio. Pero, hindi ko alam. Let's see. So, magpe-prepare na lang ako ng damit in case na magbago ang isip ko. At least, nakahanda. So, kakain lang muna kami ng breakfast, guys.
So, ayun guys, I'm using SmartN. It's a nursing GPT. It's like a chat GPT. I use this right now because I need to review. At hindi kami natuloy sa Baguio. It is because I need to review because I have exam in the hospital sa Manila. So I need to, take some notes, important notes. So this is what I'm taking. So this is a SmartN, guys. So any medical field that you need to ask, SmartN is the one who will give you the exact thing that you need to know. Like this one, I told to SmartN, can you give me a solution of formula related to nursing aid or CNA? So this one is the one provided ni SmartN. So BMI, medication dosage calculation, fluid intake and output, vital signs assessment. Ayan. So ayan, I need to take this one.
Hi guys. So, nanonood ako ngayon ng YouTube, yung mga paranormal activity sa Indonesia. And kumuha ako ng iced tea, malamig na iced tea sa ref. And I just realized that I'm home alone. Kasi yung boyfriend ko, pumasok na siya sa work niya. Panggabi pa rin siya. So, this is my first night again, dito sa bahay ng boyfriend ko. And I just realized na pati yung father niya wala dito sa bahay. At ang mga kasama ko lang dito is tatlong aso. So, it's completely eerie and quiet. And I just realized na naka-open pala yung mga window kasi sira yung aircon. And nanonood ako ngayon ng paranormal. Yung sa RSK Tayo Hospital. So, takutin natin ang sarili natin mga B. So anyway, manonood lang ako. Chill-chill lang tayo dito. Wala kasing bago ngayon sa Netflix. Mag-post naman kayo ng mga bago. 'Di ba? Yung mga horror movies doon, puro Thailand, puro Korean. Yung mga old school na horror ng Tagalog. Netflix, post something new, please. Kaya never talaga nagsusubscribe sa Netflix. Kasi sobrang minimal lang yung mga movies. So anyway, yan. Laki maririnig ko yung electric fan at saka ang TV. So anyway, manonood lang muna ako, guys. I'm gonna chill out. And kayo din, have a sweet dreams. Good night, guys. So anyway, guys, ayan. Nanood ako. And ito yung window na naka-open. Lahat yan naka-open. And then, sira kasi aircon. So, I am using electric fan. Ayan. Wala dito si Jowa. Nasa work siya. So, ayan. Super eerie, diba? So, I'm still watching Nuke Stub 5. See? And cover the window because it's giving me a creep. And the sensor light there is keep open and closed. That is because I think it's because of the chicken walking around. But it's really light in here. I'm just all by myself, and all my hair all over my body is getting, goosebumps. So it's 11:42 in the evening. I'm just chatting my boyfriend. I'm chatting him, and I'm telling him that I'm watching a creepy, eerie paranormal activities sa YouTube, and he's just laughing and makes fun of me. So my cell phone gonna die, so I need to charge this one. So maybe a few more video from YouTube, and I'm gonna sleep. Peace. What's up, guys? It's me, Amber. So today is Tuesday of December 12th. So kahapon I was in Manila. I take my exam. So I'm sure and I'm pretty hope so na nakapasa ako. Because this is the only chance. So anyway, yeah, after ng exam, diretso uwi na rin ako dito sa Pampanga. But, once I'm gonna get my schedule or the result of the exam, and then binigyan nila ako ng schedule, I'm going there, and I'm gonna need to find an apartment. What else? At the same time, I'm living all by myself. So, parang, ito ang gusto ko actually, being more independent on myself while I'm working. Mag-isa ako, uuwi ako mag-isa. I don't feel lonely or sad anymore because I used to be, because I have anxiety and depression. Pero at the same time, pag patanda ka ng patanda, alam mo yun, parang feeling na mas gusto mo na lang mag-isa sa bahay. Chill, chillax, something like that. So I'm so happy and excited to living all by myself. At the same time, may iwan dito yung dalawa kong kids with Manang Aida. And yung parents ko naman, every weekend naman silang uuwi. So, which is good. So, sa unang day ng off ko, is I'm gonna stay there muna. Kasi I need to clean the apartment, pahinga. So, pag may time na lang ako, tsaka uuwi dito. So, meron namang cellphone yung mga anak ko. So, tawagan ko na lang sila through Messenger. And I'm so excited. Pero, hopefully, nakapasa tayo sa exam. So, welcome back, Amber, to medical life. So, yun guys. Manonood lang muna ako ng YouTube or movie. I'll gonna see you later. Yan. So, if you heard, meron nag-grass cutter outside the house. So, I'm living in the village. So, medyo maingay ngayon. I think it's Wednesday. So, yung hospital na pinag-examan ko sa Manila, they said 3 days usually. It takes 3 days before namin matanggap yung call or email ng HR from the hospital kung makapasa ba kami sa exam, and then bibigyan daw kami ng schedule. So, I'm still waiting today up until tomorrow. Kung wala. Pero, at least naman, diba, consideration na kahit hindi ka nakapasa, sasabihan ka ng HR na, sorry, unfortunately, you're not passing to the exam, blah, 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 blah. Pero, cross fingers, I'm sure naman, dahil super easy lang no exam, kahit wala pang experience sa mga in-applyan ko, ay makakapasa. So, kakain tayo. Ayan. Yun lang yung natira. Yun ang napapala ng huli na kong kumain. Siyempre, pinauna ko muna si Manang and then yung mga bata. So, medyo maingay. Kakain muna tayo, guys.